maintaining your green card and actually not breaking the continuity for your citizenship. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Shapir Ali from the Shapir Ali Law Group. This is another frequently asked question. People ask me, I have my green card, I want to travel more than 6 months, stay abroad, will I lose my green card? Well, usually up to 1 year, they won't really make a big fuss out of it the first time, but this is a totality of circumstances. There are many other factors, so just don't count on this. So the recommendation, if you want to stay abroad for longer, get what we call a re-entry permit, form I-131, and then you can stay up to 2 years. But make sure that you file it and do your fingerprint before you leave. As for the citizenship, you won't be able to protect it because every time you leave more than 6 months in a row, after that you will break the continuity and you have to come back and complete 4 years and 1 day. Every time you leave more than 6 months, even the green card is there, the citizenship will start over. So good luck to you. If you need more information, call us 510-742-5887, info@piralilaw.com.
If you want an employment green card without an employer, if you want a faster green card, try the EB-1A. Evaluate your EB-1A possibilities by clicking on the link in the description.